Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this you seriously need. See, this changes everything. Check this out if you love smart solutions. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it is super lightweight and durable, I was completely sold. It is an absolute lifesaver because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need Sai in your life is because it saves you so much time. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade before it's completely gone. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this you seriously need. See, this changes everything. Check this out if you love smart solutions. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after